Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Velli, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connect. Today we are going to discuss heat generated in a journal bearing. Heat generated in a journal bearing. This is a Unit 3 bearing chapter. In this bearing chapter, heat generated in a journal bearing is a most important topic. We are going to learn these heat generated in a journal bearing. Okay, what is the heat generated in a journal bearing? If any journal bearing, any bearing, contact between any two materials, like if you see any machine or any two metals, contact between two metals, there is a friction is produced. That friction is generated heat. Okay, that heat generated in a journal bearing, the heat generated in a journal bearing is due to the fluid friction, and friction of the parts having relative motion. If any contact in two material, there is a heat generated. That is called, in this one journal bearing, there contact between two materials are fluid friction or friction of the parts having relative motion. That is called a heat generated in journal bearing. Okay, this is a heat generated journal bearing equation. In this heat generated journal bearing is denoted by Qg. Okay, this Qg is equal to mu into W into V, Newton meter per second or joule per second or watts. These three are units: Newton meter per second or joule per second or watts. This is one of the important equation, heat generated in journal bearing. Thus, already we know that Qg is equal to heat generated in journal bearing. Mu is equal to coefficient of friction. Okay. Next, W is equal to mu is equal to, already we know that W is equal to load on the bearing. Load on the bearing. Load on the bearing in newtons. Okay, in newtons. This is equal to load on the bearing. How to find out load on the bearing? Load on the bearing is denoted by W. Okay, how to find out the load on the bearing? Load on the bearing is equal to pressure on the bearing. Pressure on the bearing. Pressure on the bearing into projector area. Projector area of the bearing. Okay, projector area. Find out the pressure on the bearing into projector area. Next, this one pressure on the bearing, like is denoted P into projector area of the bearing. Projector area bearing like a rectangle. In this rectangle, length, width is there. That's why L into D. Pressure on the bearing into length into width. Okay, this is the load on the bearing. Next, V. What is V? V is equal to velocity. Like absolute rubbing velocity. In this one, bearing, this is bearing na, rubbing velocity. Okay, rubbing velocity always formula is pi dn by 60. Pi dn by 60. Find out the v. Okay, next n is equal to, okay, this one. In this one, d already we know the diameter, n is equal to speed. Okay, this is a heat generated in journal bearing. Dissipated heat. Next topic, heat dissipated by the bearing. Heat dissipated bearing equation is denoted by QD. Heat dissipated is denoted by QD. Okay, this QD is equal to C into A TB minus TA, units joule per second or watts. In this one, what is CA, what is TA? First of all, TB and TA. What is TB? TB. Let's see. C means heat dissipation coefficient. Heat dissipation coefficient in Deb per meter square per degree Celsius. A is equal to projected area of the bearing. Projected area of the bearing rectangular is equal to length into width. Length into width. Okay, this is the projected area of the bearing in mm square or meter square. Next, TB. TB means temperature of the bearing surface in degree Celsius. Temperature of the bearing surface in degree Celsius. TA is equal to temperature of the surroundings air. Surroundings like bearing, like this is one of the bearing. Temperature of the bearing surface, this bearing surface temperature, like this is TB. Surrounding temperature, like surrounding temperature TA. Okay, this is a TB and TA. First of all, find out these three after the substitute. Then QD is equal to CA into TB minus TA. Okay, this is a heat dissipated by the bearing. Heat taken away by the oil. Heat taken away the oil applied after applying the oil is equal to QT is denoted by QT is equal to M into S into T. Joule per second or watts. Okay, in this equation, QT equation, what is M? ST. M is equal to mass of the oil. Mass of the oil. Mass of the oil in kg per second. In kg per second. S is equal to specific heat. Specific heat. Specific heat, units of the oil, of the specific heat of the oil. Next, T is equal to difference between outlet and inlet temperatures. Difference between outlet and inlet temperature. Inlet temperature. This is after applying oil, QT is equal to M into S into T. M is equal to mass of the oil into specific heat into difference between outlet and inlet temperatures. This is the heat taken away by the oil.